Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to create, manage and use notes inside Google NotebookLM. Notes are one of the most powerful yet often misunderstood features in NotebookLM. They help you capture insights, organize information, and add your own thinking on top of your sources. Now let's begin. I am inside my notebook called AI Research Project. On the right side, you can see the studio panel. Inside the studio panel, there is a section called Notes. This is where all your notes live. NotebookLM allows you to create notes in two different ways. Let's look at them one by one. To create a new note, go to the studio panel, find the Notes section and click on Add Note. A new blank note opens. Here you can type your own content or paste text. This is where you add your own understanding, interpretations, summaries or conclusions based on your sources. For example, you might write your personal explanation of artificial intelligence after reading multiple documents. These notes are fully editable and you can update them anytime. The second way to create notes is directly from the chat area. When you ask a question and NotebookLM gives you a response that you like, look for the option called Save to Note. Click on Save to Note. NotebookLM immediately creates a new note from that response. One important thing to remember here. Saved response notes are not editable once they are created. This is intentional, so the original AI response remains unchanged. You can still add separate written notes to expand on the idea. Also remember this limit. You can create up to 1000 notes per notebook. That is more than enough for even very large projects. Now let's look at a very powerful feature. You can convert notes into sources. This means your notes can become part of the notebook's knowledge base. To convert a single note into a source, open the note and select Convert to Source. That note now appears in the Sources panel and can be used to answer future questions. You can also convert note to source from Notes section. Click the three-dot menu next to your notes. Here you can see Convert to Source option. Next, let's see how to convert all notes at once. In the Notes section, click on three dots on any note and select Convert all notes to source. This combines all the notes into a single source. You can see here in the Sources panel. This is extremely useful when your notes represent your refined understanding of a topic. Now let's look at exporting notes. In the Studio panel, click the three-dot menu next to your notes. You can export notes to Google Docs or Google Sheets. When exporting to Docs, your notes open in a new Google Doc in a new browser tab. One important limitation: changes made in the exported docs or sheets do not sync back to NotebookLM, and sharing permissions do not carry over automatically. Next, to delete the notes, click the three-dot menu next to your notes. Click on Delete to delete the particular note. So to summarize this lecture, you can create notes by writing them manually or saving chat responses. Notes help you capture insights and organize understanding. You can convert notes into sources, transform them, and export them. Used correctly, notes turn NotebookLM into a complete thinking and learning workspace.